Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how do you change your TikTok profile picture. So to do that, let's head over to our TikTok application first. Once you are in your TikTok, make sure that you have logged it into your desired account. And then just head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. Once you are there, just head over or tap on your profile picture and keep tapped on it. And here you will find your option of change photo. So tap on change photo. And now you can choose any picture you want. And once you are done with it, tap on next. And then you have to just centerize your photo according to your need and then set up your photo. So yeah, this is how you can just set up or change your TikTok photo or TikTok profile photo. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.